Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Explainer. I am studying class 10th 7.1 exercise coordinate geometry chapter name is, and the question number 1, find the difference distance between the following points. Okay, first question number 2, 3 and 4 1, and similarly a b and minus a and minus b. Let first of all I am taking let we have 2 points A and B. Okay, the coordinates of let coordinate of AB is equal to coordinate of A is 2 3, and similarly coordinate of B is equal to 4 and 1. Okay, therefore in this question x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4. Here is x2, here is x1. Similarly y1 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 1. Then the distance, we have to find the distance between the points. So distance between point A and B is equal to, by using the distance formula. Okay, using distance formula AB is equal to distance between AB, and AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, then we have to put in this formula, value is this given, these value are given. x2, it means under root x2 here is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus sign y2 is 1 minus y2 is 1 and y1 is 3 whole square. Okay, under root 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2, then minus 2, writing minus 2 whole square, it means 2 2 is 4 plus minus 2 का whole square 4. Okay, right, 2 2 is 4, it means root 16, it means it is 4 units, this is the answer. Okay, right, therefore I have 2 points, here is A, here is B. We have to find the distance between AB. Therefore AB, the distance of AB is 4 units. Okay, right? Similarly, another second part. Okay, this is the first part and for second part. Let x1 is equal to 2, not 2, x1 is equal to A and x2 is equal to minus A. Here is minus A and here is A. Similarly, y1 is equal to B and y2 is equal to minus B. Okay, then using the distance formula, the distance of AB, writing AB, distance of AB is equal to distance of AB is equal to same formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then putting in this formula x2 is equal to minus a and minus x1 is equal to a and whole square and plus y2 is equal to minus b minus y1 is equal to b, okay, whole square. Therefore minus a and minus a is equal to minus 2a whole square plus minus b and minus b minus 2b whole square. It means under root minus 2a whole square means 2 2 is 4 a square 4a square minus 2 times plus it will be plus and again minus 2 whole square means 4b square as it is, right? Therefore 4a square plus 4b square. First of all I am writing under root 4 is common and a square plus b square. It means root 4 means 2. 2 is common, okay. 2 is not common. Root 4 value of root 4 is 2 and under root a square plus b square, okay, right? Then this is the answer. This is the units answer, okay, right? तो इस तरह से हमारा ये क्वेश्चन ओवर हो गया. ये हमारा coordinates of A is AB, coordinates of B is minus A and minus B. Therefore x1 is A, x2 is A on and minus A. Here is y1 is B and y2 is minus B. Therefore we have to put in this formula distance formula, okay. Then we get 2 under root a square plus b square, okay. Then next question I will do on next time. Thank you.